Okay, just installed. It's kind of windy out here, so I hope y'all can hear me. I just installed the Mutazu fishtail exhaust without baffles. Before I bought these, just trying something out. I didn't see any videos on here with Mutazu pipes without baffles, and so I decided to post a video of these pipes without baffles. And so tried them out, did a new install, slip-on pipes again. So let's kind of see how they sound. Alright, sound pretty good. Now, what I'll do next, of course, there won't be a video on this. Get on it and see how it rides. Thank you so much for watching.